In this video, we will solve a question that was asked by a brother on Telegram channel of Econ Maths. The question is, the slope of budget line is minus 0.25 and income is $100 for buying two equal goods. We have goods samosa and jalebi. We need to find out the amount that will be spent on samosa. Okay. So what will be our budget constraint? We know budget constraint. Let's denote, P subscript S means price of samosa times units of samosa plus price of jalebi denoted by PJ into units of jalebi will be equal to M, which is income. Okay, simple thing. This will be our budget constraint. That means price of samosa times units of samosa plus price of jalebi times units of jalebi will be equal to our income. Okay. Also, we are being told that we have the equal goods. Okay, equal goods. By equal goods, we mean units of samosa should be equal to units of jalebi. Okay, then we can rewrite this budget constraint like this. So in place of S, I will write J. That means if I rewrite this, I can write it like this: price of samosa into units of samosa plus price of jalebi into, in place of J I will write S because samosa is equal to jalebi. So let me write it here again. S should be equal to total income, which is M. Okay, let's take S common. We are left with price of samosa plus price of jalebi should be equal to our income, and income is being given as $100. Let me write it here, 100. Okay, after that, what is the slope? Slope, we know, if this is our graph, let me draw it here. If we have this graph, we have samosa on this axis, jalebi on this axis. Okay, our budget constraint will look like this. The slope of this budget line will be equal to minus PS, that means price of samosa upon price of jalebi, and we are being told it is equal to 0.25. Okay, so if I rewrite it like this, actually it is minus 0.25 here, so this minus and minus will get cancelled. We are left with price of samosa upon price of jalebi will be equal to 0.25 can be written as 1 upon 4, which implies price of samosa will be equal to 4 times, sorry, 4 times price of samosa. If I cross multiply it, will be equal to price of jalebi. Okay, now what we need to do, just plug this value again in the budget constraint. Let us write here also 100. Okay, let us put the value of pj is equal to 4 times ps. That means we have ps times units of s plus pj. So in place of pj, I have again 4 times ps. Okay, so 4 times ps, price of samosa should be equal to 100. So this is 4 ps plus, okay, let me see what I have done here. So price of samosa into units of samosa plus, yes, it's perfectly correct. So price of jalebi is equal to 4 times price of samosa. Okay, so, and we know that s is equal to j. So let me put the value in this equation. Okay, so for the sake of simplicity, so we have s. Okay, price of s, let me write price of s plus pj, we know it is equal to 4 times ps. So 4 times ps is equal to 100. So we have s times, so ps plus 4 ps is 5, ps is equal to 100, which gives us price of s into units of s is equal to 100 upon 5, which comes out to be 20. And what is this? This is price of samosa times units of samosa. That means this is the expenditure. Expenditure expenditure on good samosa will be equal to 20. Okay, so price of samosa times units of samosa gives us the expenditure on the samosa, which is equal to 20, and we were exactly told to find out the amount that will be spent on the samosa. So amount spent on samosa will be equal to $20. I hope I make myself clear in this video. Thank you.